Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a nomad currently in Vietnam, just documenting the experience. If you're not new here, welcome back. Yeah, I mean, I thought I'd just show you guys a bit of the local area and what some of the surrounding streets are like. There's a couple barbershops nearby, which is kind of cool. I would say in the area, I don't know if you can see, there's a lot of construction going on. I can't lie. Not just in the area, but I find in Vietnam, period. And I feel like Vietnam is one of those places that's like really in the works right now. You don't really hear people saying I'm gonna holiday in Vietnam as much as, for example, Thailand and Bali, you know? So pending, I see them coming up. I see them coming up. So where I live, it's a bit like quieter, it's a bit more residential, but you kind of walk 2 minutes down the road and then there's just like, then there's this, the high road basically. If you walk that way for like 7 minutes or so, then you're at the beach. The construction I'm talking about, every corner there's something, but apartments are in the making, businesses are in the making, maybe coffee shops, cafes, whatever. Doing some work, so let's go say hi. Hi, say hi, babe. I'm like vlogging. Do you want to say hello to my vlog?
Hello.
Xin chào.
VIP.
What I like about the Grab drivers here is they actually bring you a helmet to wear. In Thailand, they maybe 20% of the time you get a helmet. Safety first. I'm basically off to play pickleball with some locals. There's low-key been a couple of cockroaches. When I say a couple, I mean actually 2 in our apartment, but they're massive. So the apartment technician has come to kind of sort it out and fill up all the holes in the vents and stuff and by the doors so that it doesn't happen again. I just love that they're taking it so seriously. Wow, the rain. I'm heading to this content creator meetup thing with the expats in Da Nang, and I think it's super cool. You see that? I will remind you. That will show you the back, because when you click this, there's the camera. It's yeah. I'm just leaving this content creator meetup session that we had. Man, I learned so much. It was such a good meetup, and I just feel like even just as a small creator, I'm kind of starting to realize, one, the importance of being around other creators just in regards to learning and insights and tips and everything. But also, I mean, boy, if there's any creators watching this, Da Nang is a big creative hub that I didn't know. Not just YouTube. People write books, they tell stories, they write poems, rappers, artists, singers, just everything under the sun. Okay, my Grab's here, gonna go, bye. Morning guys, new day, heading to a Vietnamese cooking class.
Welcome to Vietnam. Welcome to Da Nang City. Hello.
Okay, yeah, we do that. Record?
Yes, recording. Maybe in the future I will become a blogger.
I wish I filmed it, but I just got back from hanging out with my Vietnamese friend, some other expats, and she gave us these cards, which is the cutest thing ever. She also got us these fans, which is really cute, like little gift, and we all like went to dinner and stuff. She gave everyone these like personalized cards, and I just got home and I just opened it and read it, and this is actually so cute. Hi Rachel, I'm so happy to be able to write this letter to you, wonderful girl. I don't know how to say it, but the first time I met you, I was impressed by the way you filmed. Are you guys following? And took pictures with professional equipment. And coincidentally, I also like taking photos, so maybe I have a connection with you. I watched some of your videos on YouTube and they're really amazing. The camera angle, the way you transition scenes is really great. And coincidentally, I also know you just got married to your husband Dixon. I'm really happy for you. I wish you two will always be happy, and hope you will have a wonderful vacation in Vietnam. This is so cute. I feel like crying. Thank you, Car, if you're listening. If you're watching, thank you, Car. Morning, new day. Heading to the market to pick up some bits. It's Thanksgiving on Thursday, so I kind of want to buy like a cutesy little dress or something. My taxi's waiting for me, so I was saying it's Thanksgiving and I want to buy just a cutesy little dress to wear, like nothing crazy. I don't really have like nice dresses out here. Yeah, let's check out the market.
Feelings within you, then you won't remember me.
This market is cutesy, it's different. It's like so compact and tight.
Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever.
People are literally out here just like making the clothes. Yeah, they're literally making the clothes as we speak. This is kind of cute. This is why when you go to the market, wear very simple clothes so you can easily just slip clothes on and off when you want to try it. Do you know what I mean?
Oh, baby, gave us so bad. Toy when my affliction had to fill out my prescription. Cause I had to set you free.
Oh my god, please try on the shirt.
I'll try it.
We're gonna make him try on the matching shirt. If you ever see us matching, it was me. It was my idea. It wasn't me. I held him against his will.
Nam
and-
băng. Nam băng hả? Nam băng bên đây này. Đó, quá trời Nam băng. Nam băng.
See the vision? Imagine being on the beach and like got the dress and the shirt, like that's super cute.
I had to live.
I don't think he wants to be here. Don't think he wants to do this.
Love set you free to
We got a winner.
take things alright.
All right. Market was a success. I got my Thanksgiving dress. I bamboozled Dixon into buying a matching outfit with me, so I'm happy. And honestly, like, I am kind of tired of wearing the same rotational outfits. Like, I've been nomadic for like 6 months. Like, I'm literally in the same clothes on rotation, which is fine. Sustainability, like, I'm here for it. The market in Vietnam, I'll put the name of it. Really, really cool market. Like, it's very busy. Just know what you're going in for. I wouldn't say just go in there for a stroll, but there's so much options. Shoes, dresses, t-shirts, men, women. Like, it's just different styles, colors. Like, it feels like unlimited, basically. It feels unlimited. Markets wise, Vietnam wins for me over like Thailand. So
Waves your pretty wings, your pretty wings.
we got these fried dough balls, and oh, our food is here. Thank you. Yeah, and this chicken fried rice was like 45k dong, which is like $1.50. $1.50 or £1. So obviously if you go to places that are like more built up and stuff, you'll be paying more, right? But if you eat at these little local spots, like you can get a meal for £1. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, all right guys, I'm gonna close out this vlog, finish my food and call it a day. As I mentioned, it's Thanksgiving this week, so we've got a couple of Thanksgiving dinners that we're going to from some people that we've met out here. So that's been really nice. Very nice, great community out here, as I've kind of shown during this vlog. And yeah, I've been really loving getting involved. Yeah, we'll pick up again soon, but thanks for sticking around. If you got this far, appreciate you. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, let me know your thoughts, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I will see you guys in the next one.